Hi friends, this is Brito. Welcome to RB English Academy. In this video, we are about to discuss a topic, conjunctions. Let's get into the session. Here I have given you the definition of conjunctions. Conjunctions are used to join clauses, phrases and words together for constructing sentences. Conjunctions make a link between words or group of words to other parts of the sentence and show a relationship between them. Conjunctions is a linking word which helps to join two clauses or words to construct a sentence. For example, Alex and Robin are playing together. Alex plays well, but Robin plays better than him. I play cricket and Robin plays football. When he was sick, I went to see him. In these examples, and, but, and, when are conjunctions because these words helps to link two phrases or two words to give a meaningful sentence. Types of conjunctions. There are three types of conjunctions. They are coordinating conjunctions, correlative conjunctions, and subordinating conjunctions. Let's discuss one by one. The first one, coordinating conjunctions. The job of a coordinating conjunction is to join two words, phrases, or independent clauses which are parallel in structure. There are 7 coordinating conjunctions which are by far the most common conjunctions: and, but, for, nor, or, so, and, yet. These 7 words are coordinating conjunctions, and these words helps to join two words, phrases or independent clauses. For example, we went to the stadium and enjoyed the cricket match. Do you want an ice cream or chocolate? Go away and never come back. In these examples, and, or, and are coordinating conjunctions. The second one, correlative conjunctions. A correlative conjunction uses a set of words in a parallel sentence structure to show a contrast or to compare the equal parts of a sentence. The words of correlative conjunctions have a special connection between them. The correlative conjunctions are not only but also either or, neither nor, both and, not but, whether or. For example, neither Alex nor Robin can play baseball. I want both ice cream and chocolate. He ate not only the ice cream but also the chocolate. And finally, subordinating conjunctions. A subordinating conjunction joins elements of an unparalleled sentence structure. These elements are usually a dependent clause and an independent clause. Here I have given you most commonly used subordinating conjunctions. For example, before we left home, I had my breakfast. Provided they come, we can start class Tuesday. When he was washing my car, I went to the store. In these examples, before provided, and when are subordinating conjunctions. And here I have given you examples for subordinating conjunction, coordinating conjunction, and correlative conjunction. Go through it, try to make your own answer. Here I have given you the answers for all the questions. Check your answer with this. Thank you guys. Thanks for watching. Keep supporting. Thank you.